If you want to enjoy Monster Hunter now without constantly walking around in real life, MagFone Location Changer makes it simple. Start by connecting your phone to your computer, then select Monster Hunter Now from the Game Mode menu to open the map. In Change Location mode, you can drag the map pin to any spot and click Start Modifying to teleport instantly. Two-spot mode lets you create a GPS route between 2 points. After selecting your route, click Start Modifying and adjust the movement speed to your preference. While moving, you can battle monsters and claim rewards as usual. If you need something more advanced, multi-spot mode allows you to design a route with multiple stops for a more realistic journey. For faster exploration, Jump Teleport mode simulates instant jumps between different locations. And for the most flexible control, you can use the built-in joystick. Move freely in any direction, change your speed at any time, and explore the game world with ease. If you ever get a speed warning, simply stop moving for a while or lower your speed to stay safe. With MagFone Location Changer, you can take full control of your Monster Hunter Now experience and hunt anywhere, anytime.